Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make a coconut rice pudding. So this is so delicious. I cannot wait to make it. Actually, I was shocked I didn't have this already on my YouTube channel. So looking forward to it. We're going to use Flake Coconut, and we're going to toast some, and we're also going to put it in the recipe. We're going to use Coco Lopez, cream of coconut, sugar, vanilla, Basmati rice, which I prefer to use in any of my rice puddings, and milk. So let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you. Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. First thing, in a 300-degree oven, we want to toast our coconut. So we're going to measure about a cup or 3 ounces. Sprinkle it out onto a baking sheet without anything on it. Spread it in a thin layer and then toast it in the 300-degree oven for about 8 to 9 minutes. Keep an eye on it and make sure it doesn't burn on the edges. Put it into your preheated 300-degree oven and make sure you rotate the pan halfway through the baking and check it at 8 minutes. If it's still not golden brown all over, put it in for another minute and take it out. We have our 5 ounces or 3/4 of a cup of basmati rice. We're going to add it to our pot with 1.5 cups of water. And we're going to bring that to a boil, cover it, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until all that water has evaporated. There we go, our water is evaporated. So now we're going to add in our 3 cups of milk and our 1/4 cup or 2 ounces of granulated sugar and our 1 can of Coco Lopez. I gotta open that and put it in, and we definitely want to stir this. So we're gonna continue to stir this until it thickens. So once you get everything in there, you're gonna bring it back to a boil. And you got some of that coconut was solid, so you gotta break that up. And we're gonna continue to stir it. We're gonna bring it to a boil and stir pretty much constantly until this thickens. After about 15 minutes of continuous stirring, you'll see that the pudding has gotten thick. At this point, we're going to add in our vanilla extract and also our coconut. So make sure you stir that all together, and then we're going to turn off the heat. Here's our beautiful coconut pudding. I can't wait to try it with our toasted coconut sprinkled on top. So delicious. And it was 3/4 of a cup of long grain rice, 2 ounces of sugar is a 1/4 cup, 3 ounces of flake coconut is 1 cup, and of course you need an additional 1 cup of coconut to toast for this garnish. So let me take a bite and tell you how it is. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. So please try this recipe at home. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel, and check out all the recipes. The recipe for this one will be in the description, link below, and oh, I'm gonna eat the rest of this right now. So thank you so much. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.